Today I learn how to DMI style setting in Autumn. For a style setting, first we draw a structure. I draw a polygon because in polygon we are suitable to learn DMI style setting in polygon. All dimension linear. And in a line dimension, and then angular dimension. Then I go to the command channel, write decom only, and DMI dimension style manager box is open, and then go to modify. Dimension style standard is here, open. First set I lines. Lines means here in dimension there are two lines. One is called, this is called dimension line, and this is called the extension line. If I want change the color of dimension line, then go to the color and change the color of dimension line. You saw all dimension line color changed. If you want to change line type, then you go to the change. Line weight also change. Baseline spacing also change. Yes sir, press. If you want in dimension line only one dimension line, so then here you click one dimension line is blown out. Then if you want to all dimension line blown out, here you click all dimension line blown out. Then you go to extension line. If you want to change the color of extension line, go here and change the color of extension line. You saw this extension line color changed. If you want to extension line 1, 2, line weight also change. If you want to one extension line, so then you click here. If you want to other extension line, so if you click here. Here extend beyond the dimension line. If you want to here change the extend this length of extension line. You saw that change the length of the extension line. Then we return and modify. If you want the offset from only, if you want to the distance between this here to this dimension line, also change. I write here 0.25. Then you saw the distance between origin from extension line change. I write here 0.25. Then go to the symbols and arrow. You change the symbol of the dimension line. Go to the hair and close double line. Then you saw dimension line symbol change. And then go to the text. If you want to the style of text is so change. Then from standard or anonymity text color if you want to change, then also change. Fill color if you want to change, then also change. And text alignment. Text alignment means here click on horizontal. You saw all the dimensions in horizontal. If you want to alignment with dimension like that, then the text of the dimension is set according to the dimension line. In the primary unit, here is change the angular dimension. Angular dimension is change degree, minute in second, because the angle is showing degree, minute and second. Here change the 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second. Then OK. Then close. All the setting of the dimension line setting is changed here. You saw the angle. I changed the 0 degree, 0 minute second. Then you saw the angle 180 degree, 0 minute and 0 second. Thank you for watching Technopreneur channel. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.